That's all you took?
Yes.
Okay, let me get your ID.
I have my ID.
Where's your ID at? Why would it be at home? You're working right now. Okay, let's go outside.
On the 2nd of March 2026, a Walgreens shoplifting suspect was found employed next door at a Speedway gas station. Her initial denial, followed within seconds by voluntary admission, is a textbook consciousness of guilt sequence. Under Oregon v. Mathiason, pre-custody voluntary statements require no Miranda and are fully admissible. Her disclosure that her boyfriend directed her to steal deodorant for transit resale transforms casual shoplifting into organized retail crime. Under Pinkerton v. United States, a person who carries out a crime at another's direction is as guilty as the director. Her role as actor does not reduce liability. It extends the same liability to him. The drive-by show-up is permissible under Neal v. Biggers, but disfavored for suggestiveness. One suspect, police present. Courts apply a reliability test, opportunity to observe, accuracy of description, and time elapsed. A prompt identification minutes after the theft meets that standard.
10-4, I got a female with the pink jacket, female black, right next to Speedway. How you doing?
Hello.
Where's your bag at?
Yeah.
Did you go to Walgreens right now? Are you sure? Okay. What are you doing here right now?
What am I doing here?
Yeah.
Working.
Waiting here? Okay. Where's your black bag? Why don't you stand up for me? Did you have a black bag on you?
No.
Okay. You got anything in your pockets? Did you go to Jewel and steal anything? I'm sorry, not Jewel. Walgreens?
No.
You sure? Because I'm going to have them come over here. And if they identify you, you're going to be arrested. So I want you to be honest with me. If you took stuff from Walgreens, tell me where it's at. Give it back to me, and we'll go from there.
Okay.
Where are the stuff?
It's in my job.
You work here?
Yeah.
Why would you go steal at Walgreens?
I'm sorry. 'Cause my boyfriend, he stole stuff and...
Okay, well, you stole stuff today. You're a Speedway employee. Okay. Did you pay for these gum?
Yeah.
Okay. Where's the receipt for it?
This is for my job. These
Okay.
two are for my
Okay.
job.
Let's go get the stuff. Why don't you go go talk to them at the Walgreens, see if they want just their stuff back. Unless you want me to go talk to them, we'll just trespass it. Inform.
Let me. My job.
Well, you're here. Inform them that she's a Speedway employee and she's never gonna do it again. Let's go get your stuff.
I can't figure that out.
No, I'm going with you.
There's some deodorant.
Okay, well, give me the stuff that you took. All of it. That's all you took?
Yes.
Okay, let me get your ID.
I have my ID.
Where's your ID at?
At home.
Why would it be at home? You're working right now. Okay, let's go outside. Go over there back where you were at. Five 2 from 5-1, informing that I got all the merchandise it was taking. What's your first name?
Nisha.
Spell it.
Niesha.
N-I. Slow down.
Esha.
What's your last name?
Brassfield. Am I getting charged for this?
Well, I don't know. It depends on what they want to do. All right? It's a crime to steal. You work at a freaking gas station. Somebody stole from here. If you're working, somebody stole in your establishment where you're working. What would you want to do?
Yeah.
Would you want them arrested?
Not really, but I would have them give it back.
No, because you're in a predicament where you're on the other side of the.
I would have them give it back.
Okay. Well, I can't tell you what they're gonna do. All right. What's your last name again?
Brassfield.
Can you spell that, please?
Assfield.
Field. Do you got a middle name, Nisha?
Yes, Monet. Mona.
Just need the M. What's your date of birth?
Raspberry. Oh, no.
Oh, 01?
Yes.
Okay. What's your phone number, Miss Brassfield? How long have you been working here?
Not long.
Not long? How long is not long? Maybe a month, 2 months?
Couple weeks.
Couple weeks? Okay.
I don't want to lose my job.
Have you been arrested for shoplifting before?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Because I can look you up and I will find out.
I know.
Now they're convicting people for retail theft more than not.
I know.
Right? If you've been arrested prior and you're what's in your leg?
I have a prosthetic leg.
Okay, that's fine. I did not know that. If you've been arrested for stealing in the past, and this is like your third or fourth,
I've never been arrested.
It could become a felony. Just letting you know.
I've never been
Okay.
arrested before.
All right. Central 351. I got a name, date of birth when you're ready.
355.
Last name is Brassfield. That's Boy, Robert, Adam, Sam. Frank, Ida, Edward, Lincoln, David. Sorry, last name's gonna be Boy, Robert, Adam, Sam, Frank, Ida, Edward, Lincoln, David. First name is Nisha, Nora, Ida, Edward, Sam, Henry, Adam. Middle name is M. Mary. Date of birth, female, black.
I really don't want to go already.
Yeah, well, I mean, you do the crime, you gotta do the time, right? Unfortunately.
Right, 40 is around percent.
If I give it back, it shouldn't be an issue.
That's not up to me.
You want to use their front phone?
Yeah, go ahead.
Please have that county wanted for a call. Caution or procedure.
10-4, can you go ahead and start confirming that?
Okay.
52 from 51, give me a call, please. Hey, did you hear that she has a 99? No, I'm good. You're good. Just ask them what they want done with this. I got all the merchandise to take. It's a bunch of deodorants. If they want to trespass, we could do that. Or
Let me go.
just ask them what they want.
Ask them to let me go.
Okay. All right. Yeah, you got a complaint over there? All right, perfect. Thank you. We're going to have to do a show up, so you got to bring an employee, please. All right, thank you. I don't know. He hasn't talked to them yet. How long if you don't mind me asking, how long have you been having your prosthetic leg?
4 years.
4 years? Okay. All
I
right.
don't even steal, like, so my boyfriend, he sells stuff, like, on the train and stuff.
Mhm.
He sells stuff.
He steals from people?
Huh?
He steals from people?
No, he, like, just sells. Like,
Sells stuff.
Yeah.
Okay,
Like,
and that's
sell
what.
deodorants and stuff, and he told me to get it.
So your boyfriend told you to go to Walgreens, steal a bunch of deodorants so he can sell them on the train. Is that what you're saying?
Basically.
Okay, I got you. A boyfriend's a bad influence. He shouldn't be telling you that.
Right.
How old are you?
20. I just turned 25 on 28th.
25. So you're an adult. You can think for yourself, right? You make your own decisions, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And this one was a bad decision.
Yeah.
All right. Where do you live?
East side.
East side?
3316. Property Dollar Tree. Accident target property Dollar Tree 10550 closest road for Mercury versus the right before RAV4.
How do you get to and from work? Okay. Do me a favor, Nisha, just come over here, stand in front of me, please, and face that way.
I'll be transporting one.
I'm asking you to come over here and stand up. Face that way, okay? Just face that way. Relax. All right. We're going to have a squad car pass by over here. Just look at the squad car, okay? All right. You understand?
What does that mean?
That means there's going to be somebody in the back of a squad car that's going to identify you if you were the person that was stealing in that Walgreens or not. Okay?
Sergeant 322 changes to assist citizen.
That's fine.
Sergeant 352, 23, same mileage.
Go ahead and look at that squad.
Same mileage, 23 Speedway.
Transfer 15 yard.
51, 52, positive ID.
Ten-4, can you have him sign that complaint for me, please? And get that receipt. I'll take the items back once I put them in my spot. All right, turn off for me.
You getting arrested?
Yep. Come on.
Sergeant 352, I'll be transporting one to another snack bag.
Relax.
Mileage
Relax.
parade.
Relax.
Parade.
Nope.
Please,
Nope. Stop.
Transfer 15 23 hours.
Central 351. Mark 1 female in custody.
Please.
Stop.
Can you please talk to this lady and see, can't you?
It is too late.
Transfer 1 female in custody 15 23.
10-4. Whenever you get a chance to, anything back on that 99 yet?
Can I talk to this lady or something?
No, it's too late.
No, I sent the hit. I'm just waiting for a response.
10-4. You know you got a warrant?
A warrant?
Yep.
I have a warrant?
Yes, you have a warrant. So that's why you're also under arrest, okay? You're under arrest for real tough theft and for an outstanding warrant. Okay? Inside your job, do you need anything out of there?
Yes.
What do you need?
My purse.
I'll grab it. Anything else?
Hey, gotta go in there, get it?
No, I'm gonna grab it.
Oh,
Anything else that you need out of there?
no.
Okay. Relax. Do you have a phone? Is it in your purse?
No.
No, you don't have a phone?
Oh, I do have a phone. It's on charger.
Okay. Is it inside the work?
Yes.
Okay. We'll figure it out. I thought you said you didn't have an ID. You do have an ID.
My ID's at home.
It's right here.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought it was at home. I have all my IDs.
Okay.
I didn't know I had a warrant, sir.
Well, I didn't know either until I ran your name.
When the officer ran the subject's name and a warrant returned, the encounter transformed. Under Utah v. Strieff, a pre-existing warrant discovered during a lawful stop provides independent arrest authority. The shoplifting investigation and the warrant are separate legal foundations. Either alone was sufficient. Post-arrest, the subject asked, "Can I get a lawyer or something?" Under Edwards v. Arizona, once a suspect in custody invokes counsel, all interrogation must cease. The officer confirmed he was not asking questions about the offense. No interrogation was occurring, only transport logistics. The invocation was properly respected. The officer's additional statement that she could get a lawyer once you get out of jail was imprecise. The right to counsel attaches at arrest, not at release. A cleaner response. Understood, no further questioning. The imprecision created an unnecessary ambiguity on the record.
Let's go ahead and walk over here to my squad car, okay?
Oh, wait.
Oh, you alright? You alright? Yeah. I'm sorry, I forgot about your prosthetic. Alright, hang tight right here. Right here, just face my car.
Action 352, 23 on Walgreens, same mileage.
Passport 1525.
Anything in your pockets?
No.
Okay.
So who can I talk to about this?
No one.
No, I'm saying, like, can I get a lawyer or something?
You can talk to, you can get a lawyer. I'm not asking you any questions about what you committed.
Right.
But you want a lawyer, you can get a lawyer once you get out of jail.
How long will I be in jail?
I don't know, it depends on the warrant. You're gonna get the car. Alright. Have a seat. I'll go get your stuff, okay? You want your purse?
I have a McDonald's bag.
Okay.
I have a McDonald's bag with my kids' stuff in it. With my cousin's like Play-Doh. It's like a Play-Doh.
Okay.
And McDonald's in it.
Okay.
And then I have a black purse back there.
Okay. And I'll grab your phone. It's charging, right?
Yes.
What kind of phone is it?
A pink phone. I mean, it has an iPhone 7 Plus with a pink charger. I mean, pink case.
Okay. I'll grab it for you, right? Just sit back. Sit back. I'm gonna put your seatbelt on. Are you able to rotate your leg that way or no?
Yes.
Okay. There we go. All right. Now sit back for me. Sit back. Thank you.
What is the outstanding warrant?
That means you got arrested for something and you didn't go to court. So they put a warrant out for your arrest.
Yes, I had a petty case and I just stopped going to court about it.
That's why they put a warrant out for your arrest.
I didn't know they'd do that.
Yeah. You got to go to your court.
Okay.
All right.
I'm sorry, but I'm really uncomfortable. Can you loosen this?
Loosen what? The handcuffs?
Yes.
Reach forward. So my finger fits through that one. And my finger fits to that one. So they're not tight.
How far are we going?
Not that far, okay? Just hang tight.
10 minutes?
Less.
The officer receives an A-. Effective pre-arrest interview, correct show-up procedure, precise dual-basis arrest announcement, and proper attorney response. The grade drops for 2 issues. Show-up positioning could have been less suggestive, and the post-arrest counsel language was imprecise. Nisha receives a C+. Cooperation, return of merchandise, and no physical resistance are genuine credits. The initial denial followed by immediate admission created a consciousness of guilt record, and the voluntary disclosure of the boyfriend's role was legally unnecessary. It extended the prosecution's theory to a second defendant. 3 takeaways. First, pre-custody statements require no Miranda. Under Mathiason, the moment you speak before handcuffs, every statement is admissible. Pre-custody is the most dangerous time to explain yourself without counsel. Second, acting on another person's instructions is not a defense. Under Pinkerton, liability attaches to the actor regardless of who planned the scheme. Identifying your director does not reduce your exposure. It adds a second defendant. Third, invoking the right to counsel requires only a clear request. Under Edwards v. Arizona, all interrogation must then stop, but interrogation means questioning, not transport, not logistics, not booking. Know the scope of what your invocation actually stops. Let us know if there is a legal topic you would like us to cover in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.